Good morning, you guys. Welcome to the vlog. Brody and I have been having the laziest, cuddliest morning, and I just got up to the best surprise. Hi.
Morning.
It's almost afternoon.
Yeah,
you have been so sleepy. We've been cuddling. Max surprised me with an acai bowl. And you knew, guys, this is dedication. He knew what I liked in it because he looked back at our text when he got me one in the past. So it has all the things I love. There's banana in there, hemp seeds, coconut, blueberry, peanut butter, granola. Wow. Do you want some, sir?
I bet he would really like some.
Can dogs have acai? Did you miss your dad? Look at that tail. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. Dan, sit. Paw.
Woohoo!
Spin.
Almost.
Come.
Max has been working on the
Sit.
spin.
Spin.
Woohoo!
Boy. There you go.
He's like, all that for a lick of a spoon?
Buddy. Are you freaking kidding me? Dropping a bomb like
Are you
that
Sam?
on me day before. This is my last day with my boy.
I told Max I'm leaving tomorrow to go see my mom and my sister.
And I'm taking the dog. Dumbass.
What is that from?
Legally Blonde.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No, don't chew on the table.
No table.
I just go, I think I'm leaving tomorrow to go home.
You don't think you're leaving. You are leaving.
I'm bringing
You're
Brody.
unbelievable.
No, I didn't know exactly. I didn't know if I was gonna go like Saturday. I just figured I'll probably go tomorrow night.
Mother's Day.
Friday.
And you're bringing the boy.
Because you have a away game.
See ya. See you never. Bye.
Do you have an away game Saturday, right? Yeah, so he should come with me. You coming with Mom!
Bye, buddy.
You still have a full day with them.
Fixie ham.
Do you guys do that with your dogs when its ears flipped inside out? We call it his ham. You've been extra cute lately, guys. I told Max. His birthday is a week from yesterday. So his birthday's 6 days away.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Wait. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
May 12. He turns 1. Like, how can a 1-year-old be 70 pounds? And he's been so sweet and like cuddly. And I told Max I think he knows his birthday's coming up, and so he's acting really sweet so that he gets presents.
I think he's just maturing now that he's a 1-year-old.
Are you kidding me? He was just kissing her on the lips.
I love you too.
Tell me you have a clingy dog without telling me you have a clingy dog. Whew. Mwah. That was so tough, so good. It's so short but like effective, and I didn't even tell you yet. I've been wanting to tell you. I think I was saying in my last video how I've been trying a new workout. This is actually my second day doing it, and it's called the Pilates class. I think it's just like the Pilates class, like simple, and it's so good. It reminds me a lot of barre whenever I do Max's sister Chase's barre classes. It reminds me of that, but like different. It's similar in a lot of ways, but different in other ways too. And I don't know if all of her classes don't have music, but it's kind of nice without the music. Like, I feel like I've worked out with music my whole life, so the fact that this is just like her talking through it, it feels kind of like peaceful. I don't know, mindful, but like workout. And I haven't done Pilates too much in my life, so I really like it. I'm so sore. I did it for the first time 2 days ago, and I couldn't do it again yesterday. I knew I had to take a day in between because my hamstrings, like my back of my thighs, were so dang sore, and like my glutes. So I know it's doing something, but yeah, it's just called the Pilates class. I'm really excited to be trying it out. I just want to mix it up, try something new, and I heard about it a lot on Instagram. I just saw a lot of people like doing it on their Instagram stories, so I'm really liking it. Let me know if you guys have done it or like other Pilates classes, if you like recommend. Comment down below because I am curious to see. It's very like body weight, lightweight, but I feel like you're doing so much and it's like fast paced that I am like sweating and like feeling the burn. it's later and I am done with my work for the day. I feel like my eyes are like blurry right now from working on my computer for so long. I was working on editing a video, editing a podcast, so I am treating myself and going to lay in the sun. It is so dang nice out. I just threw on a little bikini. This is from Swim, in case you guys are wondering, and I'm gonna grab some of my favorite freeze pops to bring outside. They're actually alcoholic, so they're so much fun. And here, let me grab a couple so I can show you guys. You guys may remember I had them in the Outer Banks with my friends and they were so much fun. They're like especially fun, I feel like, in the summer to just have with friends, have a good time. And this is the vodka cocktail one. They also have a wine cocktail and then a vodka martini, and then each of the different types has 4 different flavors. So here's just like 3 different ones. My favorite probably have to be the purple, the pink, honestly the red too. They're so good. So I'm just gonna grab 2, bring them with me. Here's just the container they come in. I saved it so I can show you guys. And you just pop them in your freezer for like 8 hours. Good to go. Again, like so much fun for the summertime, by the pool, a barbecue, a party, or even if you're just relaxing at home like me. I'm just trying to chill. Obviously drink responsibly if I did not say that already. You should check out the link in the description box down below to find a skinny freezer retailer near you. And you can find them at like Target, Walmart, that's where I find them, Kroger. Now let's go lay in the sun, relax. Got my towel all ready to rock. How cute is this bikini? I literally don't wear it enough. You guys didn't know Swim is like all sustainable. So cute. Thank you so much, Slim Chillers, for sponsoring today's video. You guys know what a huge fan I am of your skinny freezers. They're literally so good. Do you guys hear the birds right now? It's so nice and like peaceful. Okay, this one really might have to be my favorite. It's the blackberry pomegranate sangria, and I feel like I'm taking way too long to eat it, so it's like melting. But I love it when it's like this and it's like a little icy. You know what, you guys, while we're out here, let's just like have a little chat. SPF is so dang important. I feel like I told you guys I have deja vu, but I can't remember. When Lucy and I were at Nemacolin and we got a facial, my #1 thing that my facialist was telling me about my skin, she was like, SPF, 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 no matter what, always have SPF on. And I feel like you always hear that, but it seriously is such a thing. I always especially have SPF on my face because I want to prevent aging, obviously, as much as I can. I would really recommend the Supergoop brand. Like, I know it's a little more pricey, but I love their products. Like, I love the Unseen sunscreen. That's what I have on right now. That's what I will put on like by itself on my face or as like a primer under makeup. It's like a really good primer consistency. I also really love their glow screen. That's what my best friend Hannah uses the most, and it has like a little tint. It makes you look so glowy, so nice. But again, you don't even need to go that expensive. I've used so many face sunscreens, like the Glossier one, the Neutrogena one, the Sun Bum one, like probably a Coppertone one. I've used like all the different face sunscreen ones. Oh, I really liked this mineral one from BioClarity. That was so good. And then my body, I wish I had it right now because you would see me like shimmering and glowing, but I used my last can of it. I have to get more. It's the Glow Sunscreen by Coppertone, and it makes you like a shimmering bronzed goddess. I love the glitter and like shimmer in that one, but obviously still has the protection of SPF. It's the same protection as the Coppertone Sport. I'll use a lot too. I feel like that's been my go-to over the years, especially when I was a lifeguard. I would always use the Coppertone Sport. I feel like it just stays on really well. And I also love the Sun Bum for face and body. I actually have the Sun Bum on my body today. Can't go wrong. I gotta hurry up. This is so melted. This flavor is so good. And I'm about to finish my book, Blowing My Way to the Top. I feel like I talked about this in my podcast, and this is just Jen Atkin's book. If you guys know her brand, Way, I'm so obsessed with Way, like dream brand to work with because I love their soap. I love all her hair care. Obviously that's like what it mainly is, but it's funny because I actually feel like I started using her products when I saw the soap in Ulta, and I just thought it looked really pretty. And whenever anyone comes to my apartment and washes their hand, they're like, oh my god, the soap smells so good. It's her book. I'm about to finish it. We're just gonna chill out here. It's so dang nice out. Hi. Is waving at me through the window. I also feel like with SPF on your face, I also do sunglasses a lot because I feel like it just protects your eyes even more. And your eyes are like so sensitive, you know, like if you ever get a burn on your eyelid, your skin on your eyelids is just so thin and like sensitive. So I'll be here if you need me, guys.
You got
enough to hear with me? Always got a vlog. Content, baby, content.
We gotta bring you people along with us, don't we?
We're running errands, and this is our car snack. I feel like this is something new we started doing.
Car snack?
We get, like, whenever we go anywhere, I'm like, should I grab this? Should we grab that? And these are from Trader Joe's. You guys need them.
They
Something
real
lime. Yeah.
Real
corn,
kick in the ass.
Tortilla, chili lime. I feel like everyone knows to get these from there, and we were late on the bandwagon.
Oh.
But they're really yummy. Oh, and we just ate a bunch of the pistachios.
Yes.
finish those. Guess who's coming with on our errands?
You.
Oh, but don't worry, it's not like we're leaving him in the car. I would never feel comfortable like leaving him in the car, but we are just like dropping off packages, stuff like that. Do you guys remember when I showed you the Nespresso recycle bag? I'm like so adamant on it, and we finally filled it up. So we're gonna go drop that off. Is that all we have to do? In my other package, and then I thought we had more to do. The bag ripped. Okay, that's it. And then we'll be back, cook dinner,
Starbucks.
walk Brody. Oh yeah, Max is going to Starbucks. I knew there was something else.
I almost forgot.
I am still drinking mine from yesterday, so I don't need one. You can keep singing though if you want.
No, that's alright. You just said off camera you hate my singing.
You know that I love your singing. I didn't say that. I told him he can't sing explicit things when I'm vlogging. I also feel like, do any of you feel like I cannot drink coffee so late? Like, I feel like you could have a venti iced coffee at 9 p.m. fall right asleep. I can't do that. It'll keep me, oh, the after dinner espresso?
Yeah, like a nightcap.
Grandpas do that. Like, I'm sure your grandpa does that.
Yeah, not espresso, just a nice hot coffee.
Okay.
Freshly brewed, of course.
Like, I can't do that. The last time I had a coffee, like, late at night, I remember I was in college. I feel like I had it at 6 or 7 p.m. I was up till 6 a.m. on my computer, and I booked a trip somewhere. Like, I was so awake. Who else can't drink coffee late?
Off we
Or
go.
keeps you up all night? I want to know. I just realized, you guys, well, I feel like, I should say, I've only had hot Cheetos, like, once in my life.
I've never had them.
Yeah, I think I've had them once, but I feel like these remind me of that. Like, they're really, really spicy. Don't worry, you wouldn't like them. You would hate them. They're awful. Oh my goodness. Did you get what I think you got?
It's for me.
No. Brody, do you see what I see, buddy? Oh my goodness.
That's my coffee.
He sees it. Don't be mean. He's so excited. Oh yeah, you haven't had one of these in a minute. I think yesterday or the day before when I came, I could tell he was excited and like thinking about it, and he didn't get one. You deserved it. You've been so good. Yeah, you guys, his birthday
With a candle in it.
is in 6 days. His first birthday. Woohoo! Wow, it's getting everywhere. Was that yummy?
Oh my.
Is it good?
Jiminy Cricket.
Okay, you didn't make yours as pretty looking as mine, I feel like.
No.
Mine's all separate, but this isn't as aesthetic.
Wow, that sauce.
I put a big side of sauce on the side because I knew it was gonna be good. I knew I was gonna like
There's
it.
sour cream in there?
Does it taste like really sour creamy?
Yeah, mustard.
Oh, it looks so good. We haven't had this one before. Basically, all my videos should just be sponsored by HelloFresh now, is what I'm thinking. We make it in every video. This isn't even sponsored by them, but we just love them. So good. Some roasted green beans. We haven't had this one before, and I was so excited to have this one because
You've been sick of rice lately.
I've been sick of rice. I feel like I eat rice for every meal, like is with everything. And this was like a mustard, Dijon mustard dill sauce, and it sounded so good. So yeah, the dill, I wish it was sprinkled prettier, but it got kind of wet on the cutting board. So it's just in like chunks. But it's like grilled chicken with the sauce and the potatoes. This is gonna be gone in like 5 seconds. I'm so excited. My first reaction. I mean, I knew the sauce sounded so good. I knew I needed.
Very mustardy, isn't it?
I love it. I love dill so much. Isn't dill what's in tzatziki sauce, you guys? If you ever have, I don't want to mess up the origin of it. Greek food. Oh, I feel like I've had it with like falafel, hummus, that type of wrap. Anyway, that's why I like dill. This is really good. Highly recommend this one if you get HelloFresh, like we do. Oh, and by the way, when I was getting my package today in the mailroom, everyone in our apartment complex gets HelloFresh. Like there's always so many HelloFresh boxes, so I feel like way more people get it than you even realize, you know? Like all of our neighbors get it. Whoa. I look tan. Wow. It's the next morning and this is just making me realize how I think I put a lot of my little face tanning drops on last night. But I'm kind of loving it for me because since I've been loading up on the SPF, like I was saying in this video, I feel like I haven't been getting too much color. I feel like I'd rather use the self-tanning stuff instead of getting like really crisp in the sun because I know that's not good for my skin anyway, like I was saying. I'm just like starting to be afraid of like aging. That probably sounds dumb because I'm 24, but I think it's never too early. You can never be too young to start, you know? I don't know. And looking back at that clip when I was just editing, when I was outside like laying in the sun, I feel like I have so many wrinkles on my forehead. Like, do I need preventative Botox? Am I going crazy? Do any of you have that? But I know a lot of my friends have it and they like love it. So I feel like I have a really expressive face. This is what I think about when I edit through my footage. I'm like, do I need some Botox? Maybe I should put on some self-tanner so then like I do. Did I not wash? Now I'm realizing, did I not wash off my hands well enough? And also just this has been broken for so long, but I don't want to get it fixed until like my nail underneath kind of heals a little bit because it's been hurting so bad. So sorry, this is just gonna be broken for a minute. But I feel like I didn't wash my hands well enough. And my face tanning drops, they look kind of like orangish, I don't know. And then I'm wearing a sweatshirt so you can't even see, but I used the Tan Luxe gradual tanning lotion, I think it's called. It's just like lotion on my body and I feel like it's really gradual and nice, but look at how freaking clingy. Are you kidding me? Did you miss me? He was over on the couch. But oh, that's why you're over here, because you bone. I never ended off the vlog last night. The last thing I showed you guys was our dinner. It was so good. Oh my gosh, I'm going to eat the leftovers right now. Okay, I'm gonna go do that. But I just wanted to end. Wow, I just got so excited. But I just wanted to end off the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.